Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Chase online banking password without card tested method step by step clearly. To reset your Chase online banking password without a card, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Chase website. On the home page, locate and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. You will be directed to the login page. Below the login fields, click on the Forgot Password link. This action will take you to the password recovery page. Here, enter the information requested, including your Chase account username or your social security number. Next, click the Continue button to proceed. Follow the prompts on the screen to verify your identity. Chase may provide you with different options for verification, such as receiving a code via email or phone number associated with your account. Choose your preferred method of receiving the verification code. After receiving the code, enter it in the provided field on the website. Click Continue to move on to the next step. You may now be prompted to create a new password. Make sure your new password meets the requirements listed on the page. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. Click Submit to finalize the password reset process. Once your password has been successfully reset, you will receive a confirmation message. Now, you can return to the login page and use your new password to access your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Chase customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.